Hello friends and welcome back to the Recognition channel. So friends, should I will talk about Chieftec Vista mid tower PC case. So friends, Chieftec has announced the Vista model number GT01BOP and is our latest mid tower PC case engineered to meet the demand of modern system builders and enthusiasts who prioritize both visual appeal and thermal performance. And the Vista offer compelling combination of premium aesthetics and intelligent design and provide the unexpected platform for showcasing high performance component with the modern top bottom layout. And the Vista offer a clean interior look and optimized airflow, and despite its compact footprint it support high-end GPUs up to 400 mm and top mounted 360 mm radiator and CPU cooler up to 160 mm tall, and two side fan are configured as intact fan with reverse flow blade with optimized airflow, and VGA holder is included that prevent GPU sag and keep your graphics card securely in place and idle for heavy and high performance setup. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.